There are three types of list in HTML. I'm Zach, and this is part of my Web Development for Beginners series. Now, one type of list is the unordered list, or UL, which creates a list where it doesn't matter what order items appear in. You can create a list item with an li element, and we could have like, please like this video, or comment, please comment this video, where it doesn't matter what order they appear in. It's unordered. This is contrary to a ordered list, or OL, which also has list items or LIs inside, where I could have subscribe and then bell, where you have to be subscribed before you can bell. So it matters what order they're in. And you can see here that the default styling is a bullet point for an unordered list and a number for the ordered list. Now, if I said that UL creates a bulleted list and OL creates a numbered list, what would you say? You'd say, Zach, you're an idiot. UL creates an unordered list, not a bulleted list, because HTML defines the meaning of an element, not the appearance. Such an idiot, this Zach dude. Why is he even doing YouTube? He doesn't know anything. The third type of list is a description list, or DL, where we have description terms, or DTs. One could be HTML, and we have description details to accompany the description terms. So we could have hypertext markup language. There we are. And you can see the default styling is that the description details is indented a little bit so that you can, tell the difference. We could have CSS as well. Cascading. Gee, my typing is terrible today. Cascading style sheet. Perfect. Those are the three types of lists in HTML.